All right, guys, we are here for episode 2 of recreating viral TikToks. All right, so this is the video we're gonna be recreating. Jumps on the bar, slides up on top, throws the bar down the middle, and then keeps grinding. So here's what we have to solve. We need all of those items. We need a flat bar, which I believe we have in the warehouse. Then we need another very strong, it looks like what they have there is just a literal solid piece of metal that is also high enough to grind on, but also fits inside of the rail. So let's see what we got here in the warehouse. We might need to go to what? Pick and pull? Where do you find a good rail like that? Leave it in the comments below. Oh wait, we could just cut this off, no?
Come on. Oh, close but no tamale.
Pretty sure every one of these rails is the same size.
Yeah. Oh.
Actually,
well, now we just came up with a video idea.
Why don't we just do that?
The longest pole jam. Body.
Meanie.
What? No way. Why? What are the chances? Wait.
Oh! I want to hug that face, dang it.
Oh,
hi Nigel.
Hey, how you doing?
This is the test. You ready?
Yeah.
Kind of?
Yeah.
You think that's gonna work? I don't know, Gabe. There's lots of spiders in there. That could be Danger City. Think that's gonna work?
Yeah.
Also, this rail is not that long, and it's gonna have to land perfect.
I mean, it's gonna work plain and simple.
I mean, I think that this actually, I think we're good. I think we just get a skater, just start grinding it now. And I'm gonna shove this through.
The video is technically a scooter board slide, so do we have to board slide it?
No, because we can't board slide this. You have to 50. So who should we pull for this? Mowgli?
Maybe. I have a feeling once you start going, everyone's gonna wanna do it.
The thing I love about videos like this is this problem solving. And then you gotta solve also the build and then also actually doing the trick. So it's 2 parts. It's not just like, do a trick.
Oh! If you land it right here, you wanna know what I'll give you? Nothing.
All right, who's gonna grind this rail? I think it'll be easier on this because it's a little lower.
Man, you're carrying that pretty easy. Have you been training?
Oh! I almost hit myself in the face.
Okay. Oh! Maybe just wax this whole rail. Oh.
Dang it.
There we go. Got it.
This is gonna work. This is gonna work. Well, leave it in the comments below if you think a 50-50 would be okay, or if it has to be a board slide. We're gonna try and get both. All right, come do this, Mo. I'm gonna have to take out the hoodie for this guy.
Oh, no.
Too easy. Then he turns around and looks at me like, what you want? What you want with me, sucker? All right, do the whole thing. I ain't gonna lie, that is super sick.
Oh my God, that's terrifying.
Those are not skate shoes.
Should we show him the video?
I thought, oh, Nigel's out. Yeah, all right, let's show him. Kid grinds on moving bar. You ready? You see, he did a little pop up.
Well, he's on a scooter.
I knew he was gonna say that.
Hey, no disrespect to the scooters or nothing, man.
No.
We love y'all, bro.
Disrespect.
We really
Well, he's on a scooter. That was brutal.
Oh, God.
I was like, oh, it didn't make it. And I was like, oh!
His front truck went off already. Oh, that was good. You just need more power.
More power. You moved on the rail and I tried to do it and it like jiggled around and didn't go anywhere. Oh! Recreating viral TikToks is no good. Somebody gonna die out here. You're gonna have to go really slow, I think. All right, we're gonna wax this guy so much. Wax it on, wax it off. We gotta get these edges real good.
Let's see this.
Oh no, we waxed it too much.
Dang it.
Just go nice and slow, little tic-tac, 50 across. I'm shoving it through.
You need to go like 60% of the power you just put in that.
Yeah. You gotta start there. Grind up. Did we not show them the video? This is 100% possible. Don't let the haters bring you down. He's already going too fast. It's gonna take a few tries, but this'll work. This'll work. You got this, Mo. Oh.
That's for sure happened.
You gotta go slow though, kind of. You know what I mean?
Oh!
I got jammed at the beginning.
Oh!
What's gonna be great is when he falls on the other end and the rail comes through and just ding! Okay, I waxed that rail so much. I waxed the inside, I waxed the edge, I waxed every part of this thing. If this doesn't work, we blame Mowgli.
Mo, how are you feeling?
I feel like we will do it. It's just I want it to be like almost identical to the TikTok,
Yeah.
except for the TikTok one falls down. But I want it to go like
I don't
up
think
to
it should
down.
fall. Yeah.
It should go up and down. But I think the down part's the hardest part.
Yeah.
But we'll find out.
Oh!
I thought you were dead. Slow down.
As soon as you see
it
that
right
you're
there.
on the ground and there's no rail coming out yet, just split, dude.
I know,
Just do the split.
I have to do the split.
No, you gotta fully commit. The rail's coming.
You're blowing it right now, man.
We need a square rail and a square rail. We had it too easy.
I think you're overthinking the push through.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Board side.
Oh yeah, just like that?
Well done, Mo.
I told you, it's hard.
done,
It's harder
Mo.
than you think.
Where you at?
Oh!
Hell no.
I love how everybody's talking so much smack. We're doing this, and I'm pushing the rail through.
Oh, that was it! I saw the acai. I wasn't trying
You gotta slow down a little bit.
out of here.
Mo!
What happened with the board slide?
2% commitment right there.
We're bumping it up.
Hey, almost there.
You gotta slow it just a smidge.
I was waiting. I was like, I don't see it yet. I don't see it yet. At any moment, it could just go whoop-ah.
Let's do this. Just give me 5 tries on a 50.
Okay.
Do the grind and then just dink, dink up.
That's hella scary.
2 tries in. We're gonna kill the poor boy. You good?
And I just started leaning like too forward.
Oh, whoa, whoa! That's so satisfying.
How did he not land that?
So Mo's got to go faster. You got to thrust it a little less.
No! I mean, should we put it on the downhill?
Cheating. That's not the actual video.
Chris, do this. I only got so many throws left in me, you know what I'm saying? We're dying out here. TikTok is hard business.
If someone can just lock into a 50-50.
Oh!
You went to 5!
Because I didn't know when it was coming. I had to.
You can 5 down.
Oh!
You know, I was trying to see if I'd go through it.
Just get on there nice and slow, pinch. I was like, I'm gonna wait till Chris starts committing till I start throwing it because it's killing my arms.
Like, when's it coming? When's it coming?
You threw it for the wrong person. We just need 1!
I'm dying out here.
It's weird expecting it to come out and it doesn't.
What are you doing with that? Oh! Okay, okay. Get a little downhill action.
Chris, go.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Oh! Slow, Chris, slow.
Too much power.
Go slower.
That was perfect.
Back to the board. First try, Mo.
Honestly, just land that, it would have been good.
Right in between the strength that you use for Mowgli and Chris is where you need to be.
So you're saying I'm too buff?
Yeah, you're way too strong.
Balance was off.
That was it, right? Will said, that was my board. That was my board. So that was good, right?
That was amazing.
You grinded down, right?
Yeah.
And it stayed in too?
I know. Now we gotta get Mo.
I was gonna say a comment.
If there's anybody watching this video who has an idea of a TikTok we should recreate, leave it in the comments below. I got an idea of one. It's from a video game one. It's gonna be crazy.
I just don't know when it's coming.
That's what makes it good.
The train's faster.
That fast came in train.
Yeah.
Yep. I think, Mo, once you come to terms with this trick being one that you do not write yourself, you will be able to land it.
You're right. This is a Ghost Rider move.
You're right. You gotta slow down, brother.
This rail is the author of its own story. What percentage you putting your arm at, Aaron?
I just gave it 115 and this fool jumped off. Too much power.
That would have been it.
You don't have to be nice, Aaron. Let him know. You're putting your hand on the line right now, and he's selling every.
Look at that. What is this, bleeding?
All right, right here.
3 more tries, college tries.
Yeah, 3 more and then it's it.
Why do you keep going into me?
That was 2 back to back.
2 back to back, let's get number 3. I don't know how to count this anymore.
My foot got so stuck.
Are you okay?
And that is where we end the video.
I literally like tried to lift, and I like put my heels back here, and then dropped them too soon, and it just went boop.
All right, well, I guess that's where we're calling it. All right, huge thanks to Savage Scooters. I'm not sure if you're the original person that very first made that, but if anybody knows, tag them in the comments below. You guys are awesome. And what viral TikTok should we recreate next? And do you think we did a good job on this? I'd love to hear your feedback. Hope you guys enjoyed this. You, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.
Oh, Nigel, I forgot one thing.
You already said it though. You gave me
He said it, not
You gave
me.
me a soft one.
He said it, not me.